So we're in Germany, and we're back in London routine. We ran into. Oh my gosh, do you want to reintroduce yourself? Yeah. You have to do your favorite drink.
My name's Ryan, and my favorite. Please don't interrupt me. My favorite drink is Jameson and ginger ale.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello vlog, we're back again, it's Riley again.
How do you know us? I don't know how you know.
We're friends.
I don't know.
I think it's Rowan. I think that's a common thing.
How do you think it's Rowan?
How do you know Rowan?
She works.
I forgot last time, but yeah. Favorite drink? Alright, favorite drink, vodka raspberries.
Your favorite drink? My favorite drink?
Vodka raspberry. That's not what you're
Great Northern.
I'm amending my favorite drink. It is a pear Summersby.
Oh, fucking cracker of an option.
I would love to shout out though a tequila, I'm so good.
I rate the mango.
Hello, I'm Chris, and my favorite drink. Hello, I'm Chris, and my favorite drink is Jeremy Clarkson's back row cider.
Hell yeah.
Have you had one of those?
I don't know what the fuck
I don't know what that is.
See how it's red and it says
Look at my beautiful art.
Wait, I need my notes.
You are my sunshine.
She's got her notes down. Oh, did you get it? No way. I think that might be the. There it is. They got it.
Hell yeah.
Stella.
Stella, there we go. Hello.
What's your favorite vegetable? Tomato.
Tomato, good choice, good choice.
Yeah, good job.
Currently in the hostel still. We're about 5 rounds deep, I think. Yeah, 5 rounds deep.
Hello. Where are we?
Okay, I need a pee.
Oh, we're in Berlin.
Yoshi, what happened to your shoes? They look like they're tied together, right? Fuck. What the? Chris is gonna redo them.
There we go.
That's really nice of him.
It is currently.
Well, but just the complaints. Customer complaint.
No, you did a great job. Well, did you win?
I always win, but yes, I won.
You did win.
Ray! I'm gonna kick you!
Oh.
Oh!
No drinking water. Do not drink.
Ready? My dream again. Oh, I didn't put it in the vlog last time. I should have. Oh my god, it's happening. Everybody's rated the spoon, Lily.
An 8 out of 10, plain simple.
9.1 out of 10.3.
7.8.
8.2.
It represents all of the people, but with like a weird face on it. All the people that die? Yeah. Oh, he hung up.
We're getting currywurst. Ryan, is it good?
Yeah, look up. It's going like that direction. I think we're fine.
There's a big cloud over there. Did you see something kind of cool? And it's the gate thingy. Random tour. So we're at the, yeah, here it is. Quite cool. So we're in we're in a beer garden. There's a bus, and we're going on it. Then we're in the bus, and we follow the footsteps.
Oh yeah.
And you're in the bus. Look at everyone. Riding the bus.
Making it well. Well done.
Crush sticks. Which fork you want?
Nee, wo sind denn die Handfeger?
That one looks like one from home.
Oh, she's picked up fork, ladies and gents. Look at that. I'm ravenous. Hi. We're on our way to a random.
Yeah, but the camp is called
Oh god.
Action Housing
We're going here.
Memorial.
We just went and got me some antibiotics
We also got some breakfast.
and some brekkie. Yes. Uh-oh. I don't think I was
Recording
filming.
that whole time.
Uh-oh. We went the wrong way. We're back to... We know where we're going now.
But we did a little bit of an oopsie.
But we did a little bit of a loop.
We just started going backwards after we'd stopped for like 10 minutes and we didn't really think much of it. We should have it. We did, but we just didn't really question it.
Keep pressing the button. Yeah, so anyways. We're back on track.
Yeah.
So we have to walk 30 minutes and it's bucketing with rain and we didn't exactly have the option of an umbrella. Oh. This is our current situation. We made it.
A little wet,
Jeans
just a little bit.
wet.
We're gonna get trench foot.
We are gonna get trench foot. Here we go. So we're in the camp.
What is this? We've got to search up what that is. B-A-R-A-C-K-E. For later? It was all the like where they stayed during the day. Oh, it's wet. It was like where they stayed during the day, like all their like, is that right?
I think that's where they live.
Yeah, throughout the day.
Yeah.
But there was also like bathrooms and like toilets and it's a little creepy.
You could like
I feel
feel.
like heavy.
Yeah.
And it's not because my jeans are wet.
And like feel all of the people.
Yeah. It's,
You walk in and you're walking on the floor being like,
yeah.
We've joined this woman's walking tour. She's very informative. She's also
little
very,
insensitive.
very blunt. She doesn't really have much empathy in her speech.
I'm just trying to think that she's said it 1,000 times now that she's a little...
So I'm editing, and we go. She's reading. I'm editing, and we go from the camp, and then it just kind of jumps. We were in silence on the way home, and I did not pick up the camera again. So,
It was good though.
sorry for the jump. It was good.
It was just a lot.
It was the bike. No, because you know what? I tried to spotto that bike fucking 4 days ago, but I didn't know if bikes counted, and so I never did because we were standing in front of it. I'm pissed off that I didn't even think about trying to get that bike again. Anyways, so I'm sorry for the jump.
Here we go.
Continue. We're watching the sunrise turn pretty. We have snacks. This is my concoction of 2 hydrolytes and a probiotic from my weird doctor from WhatsApp.
It's so dodgy.
It is dodgy.
Left off.
This probably isn't great for me to eat, however, I'm gonna eat it. And then we're watching the sunrise turn pretty. And we're about to start the new season. I'm so excited. We have all day until... Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
What's rude?
So now we have a haul for you.
Yeah.
So we have sushi. What else is in the bag?
Let me tell you. We have a pretzel because we need one for Germany. I'm not a big fan, but we need to eat one in Germany.
But you don't like little pretzels. I feel like a bigger pretzel.
It's just like bread.
Yeah.
We have some chips.
Yummy.
We got our magnet.
Oh yeah, do you want to see our magnet? At some point. It's our magnet.
Very cute.
These gummy bears and these. They look yummy. They were good.
We're gonna try them.
She's really excited.
I am quite excited. I
Yeah.
got vegetable. I got classic.
Because we needed meals and we still have access to the kitchen. Hopefully, if it's open, have you clocked that it might not be open? You know how we had to buzz in that one time? Watching the Truman Show. We're on a bus to Munich. It was way too hot. We nearly missed it, but we didn't because it was like 40 minutes late.
The driver was rude. I think he thinks we're American.
Yeah, but then he saw my passport and he was like, oh, kangaroos.
Did he?
Yeah. He went kangaroos, boing boing. Oh, focus. We're doing our makeup.
Yeah.
And getting ready. The boys are like 10 minutes behind us, so we're getting ready here and then dropping our bags off and then spend the day with them in Munich.
No.
These boys are following us. I swear to God. It looks like right now we're following them,
But I swear.
but I swear it's the opposite way around. We fucking found them again.
Look how pretty the street is though.
Look at
Look at the whole building.
look at the street. How cute. Anyways.
Riley, where are we going?
Hello vlog. We're going to a castle.
Wow.
Yeah.
The castle was built by Ludwig, who died before he could finish it. So the inside's incomplete, but the outside's very beautiful. And it inspired Sleeping Beauty, one of the Disney movies.
And what do you know about Ludwig?
I think he's gay and autistic.
Okay.
Is that the yellow one we're looking at? Whoa, lake. Whoa, this got big zoom. We've not been followed. This is fucked a little bit. We stepping. They're coming. Whoa! Cool! Fucking hell! Not even ready for this.
Yeah, double film.
Boom! Whoa, we're zoomed in.
Very cool.
That's an issue.
10 out of 10 water.
It's a 10 out of 10 water.
Yeah, it's good trip.
10 out of 10 water.
That was in. It was in.
That was good.
Majet.
I didn't even know.
Weiter, schneller. Komm, schnell. Von vorne.
I'm sick of this shit.
Yeah, look, this is a, not a bath.
I don't want to
say.
go down this.
5 minutes, eh?
It was 5 minutes.
No, I'm kidding.
I'm mountain goating.
Isla. Savoury or sweet?
Sweet.
Why?
Really? I did not think that would come from you.
Really?
Yeah. Is so into her like main meals that I didn't think that it would be.
No, I
That is
might.
a-
Loves the main
I
meal.
might take it back. It's true. Okay, I switch it.
Savoury or sweet?
Me? I would say sweet.
I would say my sweet or savoury, I'm going savoury because just food, more savoury food in my mind.
I'm strong savoury.
Sometimes.
Just like I feel like there's so many better savoury things than sweet things.
I feel like desserts, like sweet things are like a sometimes thing, and like you can eat a shit ton of savoury stuff.
I would agree. I'd rather
can eat
fuck
more
up a bowl
savoury.
of pasta.
Yeah.
It's like great.
And cheese. But like fruit, what's that counting as?
That's
Sweet.
sweet.
That's
Yeah,
sweet.
so that's
No more
where I'm
fruit.
confused.
But you get veggies.
Not all veggies are. I
Not
would
like
say
a
Not sweet
carrot.
potato. Oi. Oi. Savoury or sweet?
Savoury,
Why?
because I like salt.
Hi, Mandy. Mandy.
haven't got food, sorry.